Hello everyone, another chess puzzle I'm going to share with you. The Black King is here. The Queen for the Black is here. A knight, two knights, and two rook, a bishop, and a pawn, three pawns. And the white one, the king is here. And the queen also is here. A rook, two rooks, knight, two bishop, three pawns. The direction for that white for forward like that. Direction for the black is like that. White first move and black mate in two moves. So you can pause the video and solve your own and return back after that. Alright, as you can see, the Black King is here. There is no square to escape. On d5 and e4 guarded by knight. This area guarded by rook. This area guarded by two pawns. There is no square to escape. Let's say, for example, we use a queen as a first move. Queen takes queen. Black answer, there is a knight here. Knight takes queen. And then where is the checkmate for that? If he made a check, rook takes knight, there is a knight, other knight here to cover. So there is no mate. If he made a check by rook here, rook takes pawn, so there is no mate for that. Return to the position. If he made a check, his queen here, d6, check. There is a rook, rook takes queen. Then where is the checkmate for that? Knight e4, check by bishop. There is a rook to cover. Then there is no mate. Return to the position. If queen check on e5, there is a bishop here. Bishop takes queen. And then where is the checkmate for that? If rook takes queen, there is a bishop. Bishop takes rook. So there is no mate. Return to the position like that. Here. If he made a check by pawn, pawn e3, check. Black answer, king d3. Then where is the mate for that? If he made a check on d6, there is a rook. Rook takes queen. So there is no mate if he uses pawn to check. If he made a check by his rook, rook d5, check. There is a pawn pawn takes rook, and then where is the checkmate for that? If open his knight, knight d1, check by bishop, there is rook to cover, then there is no mate in 2 moves. Return to the position. So we will already try the bishop, open the knight, and the rook, the queen. We already did, and the pawn. It's look, there is no checkmate in 2 moves, but white find a solution for that. The right move for that is pawn takes pawn c6. That is the right move. If black answer queen takes rook, checkmate by queen. Queen takes pawn, checkmate. If black answer rook a2, checkmate by bishop. Knight b5, checkmate. Cannot take his bishop because it's still checked by knight here. Checkmate. If black answer rook takes knight, checkmate by pawn. Pawn a3. Cannot take his rook because there is a bishop. Cannot take his queen because there is a rook. Checkmate. If black answer rook d6, checkmate by queen. Queen takes pawn, checkmate. So that is the right move. Pawn takes pawn. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe it to be updated on my upcoming videos. I am uploading chess puzzle and viewing beauty of nature. Thank you for watching.